Hey guys, you are on Education First channel and we are going to start our computer science course for term 2 board examination. So let's start without any delay. Now we are going to see our syllabus. First of all, we have we are going to see the marks distribution that is given here. We have very few topics like from Python that is coming of 5 marks, and then we have few topics of computer networks that is coming for 10 marks in our examination. Then we have database management, which I'm going to give most preference, as I have seen very very unreal, very not very good content on YouTube regarding this topic. So I'm going to give my major preference in completing this topic with more utmost detail. So we have seen the marks distribution. Uh, so we can see that we are not having much syllabus. Few topics of data structure from Python like push and stack implementations like push pop function using stack, and here we are having some topics of computer networks evolve like these are theoretical topics. I'm going to give a good very good presentation of this computer networks, and you are going to be amazed from our course. Uh, very I'm very happy to announce that we are going to complete the entire syllabus in just 4 to 5 days, and I assure you, after seeing our course, you are going to secure 35 out of 35 in your term 2 examination. And we are going to do database management SQL in a very detailed way. So let's begin, and meet you soon. Thank you guys.